Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on vacation responses in your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your AOL Mail client and select the settings button up at the top right. Go down and select more settings. On the left side, select vacation response and go ahead and toggle vacation response to the on position, and you can select your time duration of when you're going to be going on vacation till, as well as the message that will be displayed, and you would select save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.